3, 2, 1, and I'm live. Welcome back. I'm already ready at edoga open workshops. Next session in the series, website building, and I'm actually ready with a new host screen, main like a in-person FaceTime. Refer to scrolling show notes on the left top here. I also show off here my merch, and here photos, photo journal. 15 years of mobile photography that I've taken over decade and a half, almost 2 decades, working, living canvas, evidence of participation. I just need to, so for whoever is just joining, already 2 minutes in, or long late for the intro, for the main important stuff, to find your way around this content. So during this session I compile the show notes, and they're available in full at the end of the video. So if you don't want to wait, jump through, just jump to the end, read through the show notes. If you see something just interesting, then maybe go back through timeline of the video recording, find out what you were curious about, until I actually sometime in the season do the maybe more elaborate episode video edits, get chapters properly implemented, timestamping, so on, depending on what platform supports it. And well, this channel needs your support. It's free to use, free to join. On the website you'll find open workshops, a link with the draft compilation of the topics covered during these, I don't know, 20 hours so far. Yeah? There's some progress, but is done. Progress is done. So if I switch to workbench, website needs to show here. So at the moment, this is the default front page, home page, the posts, feed, articles, and I've added so far, created few things. By default, the theme didn't have few details like pagination, last page, first page, which is this one, actually older post, that was missing. I've added that manually, editing the template for this WordPress query loop that fetches the data from database. I've switched around a few things, created kind of made a merge of about and start page, like intro page for the website, and I've also moved privacy policy and sitemap. Sitemap is over here. It's on pole position. There's a pole position, of course, quick intro from first post text a few months ago. I've moved the text from that post into this page, and then find your way around, like for the get the feel of the website structure. This is still, this is always a living canvas for me, always improving daily on the layout and the visual cues, call to action. Sitemap looks the same, like this bottom section, just maybe a little bit different for now. Then here is the Open Workshops, actually this content live, referring to, providing here a way to check right on the page if it's live. So this is Odyssey video stream embed. It's possible for website visitors to watch it live right away here and actually make sure that I'm live, and they can choose here, select which platform they would like. And this section is actually in another page away from that open workshop. It's in this page, Eddy, which is actually title of my channel. So, because my channels are titled Eddy, but open workshops are like another concept, the topic, the subject of field of work interest at the moment. I don't quite plan season ahead, because this is I call it second streaming season, but I would even call a second and half, or second season coming to finale, because of the workflow improvements are made on my side in production. And so Open Workshop also covers, I'm using it when it's not specifically referring to any specific topic, just as a general development video log, video diary of the covering the whole the roadmap of development in the studio lab here at edoga. So I'm looking, that's actually at the moment a paradigm that I want to solve. How to cover same channel name, same channel brand over different platforms. Channel that covers actually WEB&TechSmart approach to modern day creative expression, and online presence, including online presence, solving technical problems, challenges. What's left now is for me to grab the YouTube. This is restreamed to Twitch, Bolt, Plus TV, Kick, Odyssey and YouTube using Restream.io. So depending on how the Restream.io sends the stream to each platform, they react differently, and one of the specific ones is the YouTube that I keep closed until I actually start streaming from OBS. Then I open the YouTube dashboard, streaming dashboard to I was just checking the live feed to make sure about the sound and video going through over there monitoring. And I also have a few ideas about open workshops. So I don't have still a set schedule, but in recent years I've figured out what are my settled upon several fields of interest, topics I want to cover. Because over a year or two time period, I switch around in my field of interest, depending what I'm challenged with at the moment, like technical stuff, maintenance, upgrades, PC builds, or just main house cleaning, basic stuff, or testing out some new ideas like Godot game engine, publish and upload project as a web app, in a sense a browser game. There's a really simple workflow that I would like. It's already covered on YouTube, but I would like to do it live. I often do live in real-time tasks, because for many curious individuals, they don't get, I myself didn't get the one-to-one impression of what it takes to do some things. That's why I also use the website, at least with some notes and drafts over there, so I can refer to them how and what devils in detail. So there are, while watching video, for me, I found tutorial video, I found that I prefer the text form. It's easier to go back and forth one line of text, one step of the tutorial instructions time, then skip on the timeline of the video, making sure is this, because actually a video section is there's one dimension only. There is just that moment. In text form, you have each line is wider, also same dimension, one dimension or maybe two, but you can just with a flick of an eye jump to the line previous, go words back and forth, and make sure that that you're getting the instruction message description, task description properly. And it's easier for every creator, it's easier to update the text than re-edit, re-upload the video in case of mistakes or updates. So video is good for anybody who's curious to get a feel in real time what it takes for some tasks, creative task, development, multimedia creation, publishing, so on. Wow, that's some 15 minutes intro right there. We all love that. Just being sarcastic over there. So, last less than a week time period now from today and back in the timeline of the videos publishing dates. This is a streak of website building, putting together a central, like a hub to connect and present all the info required. Because not all, I don't want to centralize my make just one platform the main one. So here, if I'm left closed out any platform, I can always publish on my main site, and from there point to any other outlet, media platform outlet that I might use to target the content. And anyway, having a website improves your overall World Wide Web internet discoverability over search engines. That's the main power of internet. You can search the whole wide world except the closed sections, the deeper sections, disconnected websites and web pages, and all the mobile apps. That's of course exaggerated statement. Twitter is a complete exception, but for the rest I don't actually use for that specific reason. Well, of course, Twitter, YouTube, they are still a great transition from the old way of the web to today, up to date, while contemporary modern mobile apps that claim they are like somehow related to the internet, it's just not the case. My assumption and predictions are that the trending apps are just bound to their own targeted generation range of audience. So I'm running a longer term race, long track, not that short 4-year cycle run for the up lifetime hype train. Websites are the backbone of internet. What's the next thing I want to do? I've said it loud, there is some content specifically. Okay, well, here are two important points on this website. Is I want to allow more authors and separate the content for each author in that manner that it's efficient to, there's an efficient, implement the efficient strategy to track the earnings for each author. But some fields, some topics may be shared by some authors may share cross-post different types of content. And also I want to be able to feature content on the main page, like here, being the update for main system update, promo stuff. Now at this moment I've jumped to sitemap and show these WordPress widgets that provide basic functionality, exposing the WordPress core functions structure, how it handles the taxonomy and the chronology. So latest post, it is a widget showing it here. I've filtered just 5 latest posts. I use it to visually have visual representation of my site structure. So it shows here the actual web pages, which represents static content, and here the lexical or bibliographical structure using categories, and there's the also hey Fortebecca, hello Thursday, yeah. Fortebecca on the Bolt Plus saying hello Thursday, how you doing? And here we have the what I might refer to as the I don't know. In a sense, a middle-aged presentation of the calendar content as a chronological structure here with the calendar, reminding us of the 90s desktops. With these nasty table headings, rows, column structure, and this sans serif font that's just like there, sitting there, saying scroll away, and then this basic tag cloud showing the tags applied to posts, articles, and the count of posts, how many. So it's possible to click each one and take a look what posts are, which posts are tagged. So using these tools I want to visual cues, I want to actually, it's possible to shape them, mold them, form different layouts and representations of data and content on the website. For the moment I'm not putting emphasis on the visual aspect, except the flow of content, text. Over time I'll improve of this painting, hyper painting. I still didn't sort out my priority right now. Well, the main priority is to get this site now submitted. It's submitted yesterday, day before, to Google for review, to get the ads showing up, get the monetization running over here. And well, let me see. So there are a few ideas I'm having. Open workshops, that's the already invitation on its own, but it's kind of only just like this, sitting here. Here are the past show notes. Just need to have some content in there, but I'll make this structure more efficient as I actually reorganize, do a page break of this text to actually just point out the main topics. So this way I actually have a document of the document and formatted the concept I can actually pay attention to in any later time, on a request. So that's the idea. I want to be able to collect here requests on the topics. That's the idea, like open workshops, since open workshops is kind of a living term for me. And right here it says it's WEB&TechSmart stuff. It says that it's open daily free to join. It's missing the visual call to action. And right below here I might just then create a section suggesting to pick your subject and maybe submit a request. And that I can do that without any plugin, just break into posts. Since every page and post in WordPress has a comment field, and each comment submitted is delivered to administrator, and it has a reference to specific post. So there's the whole thing solved right away. We just need to create a reference post or page for each subject, for each, to track the comments, what they are about. Like on the top, contacts. Even the contact page is actually a comment form. But hey, do I need a duplicate functionality in WordPress with a plugin that just replaces this text into a submit info? I'm not gonna do that just for the... No, I can just say here, just use a comment field, submit your inquiry, and it will be delivered to admin with reference that it is a contact request, type of contact, or whatever, main general request. For now I'm not taking any specific, I don't take more requests that I'm than the topic that I'm working on right now. And I'm not kind of looking for a gig. Gig, if there's a I'm expensive. That's the whole thing. I'm expensive. I want to be unavailable. I want to be unemployable. Setting a high price tag. Now I'm thinking, what's the next step? Well, I can just repeat my steps like I've done for my main channel, Eddy, for my gaming content, since I have 1, 2, 3 separate 3 channels just related to gaming, and I'll do that on 3 platforms, and I'll do it for the other 2. Well, I'm not sure for Kick, but for sure on Bolt I already created that account. For Kick, I don't know. I just don't like when the internet service account is bound to my mobile phone. I understand. I'm not gonna buy 2 phones just to have another account for genuine different topic. So let's say that the Kick content is a variety show, jumping in and out over there with the work and gaming. Kick still needs to prove itself. So, what about that? Do I edit page, add new page? Now this is okay. Got it. New page. Why are these headings different on each page? Maybe because I'm too much fooling around. So these 2 are cool, and this page is like doing something on its own. That's what I get when I mess with the content with template. I want new page. So for the aspect of new page, I want to consider 2 things. It is the channel name and the channel tagline, which is not proprietary, hyper arcade. So this is playful cyber cell sword gaming merc hyper arcade important. Domain content at edoga, but this is to be considered, because I don't need to repeat on the website itself at edoga. This is the basic. So this is important. And there's another thing. This is the international version. And I have also localized Croatian version that I've left out so far. And it's already running monetization. And here is this is how it works. It has Odyssey, Twitch, YouTube. So if I go to YouTube, okay, I'll do this in the new window, just so I don't mess around with in the same browser being logged in. And I search here for playful cyber. A2 sell sword and I might just pick all these from here. So copy link, adding new page, links, create it as list, Odyssey, select Shift K, no, Shift M, no, Control K, okay, Control K, come on, don't do that, go in here, Control K, yeah, gaming with a good cause, yeah, that's the stuff. I'll leave it for now as it is. Here it is on YouTube. Copy link, paste, Control K, auto converting into link, and then there's the X Twitter platform, copy link. Well, wait, why don't I just do this? How about I just play this game? Control C. Press enter. How do I push this submenu? Do I go submenu over with this? Yeah, looks. So this way I compile while working. I'm compiling. Actually, I'm compiling the info. I'll just switch around. So still no coding, but the linking, hypertext linking, makes the acts for me as some type of coding, because I'm imposing the flow of focus for any involved algorithm, whether it's the be it the search engine, or crawler spider, or the human. So that was X. Where else is? So for gaming, I can also additionally later on add Steam accounts. That's made generally gaming related. Steam Epic account. But this is not the third platform I was referring to. The third, so we can see why I refer to the corporate web to be a dark web. We don't see here Twitch coming up. Twitch is not indexing this at all. Twitch is not indexed here at all. But it is important to grab Twitch here. There is a way. There is a way. There is a way. And that way is, I just put here Twitch in search. So we are, come on. Well, I guess I just jump to the main website and do a search over here and play full cyber cell sword. Yeah, that's it. This it. Any questions, any comments? I'm listening. Start watching. Wow, the nasty Warframe is playing here. Watch out, kids, it's the video game. Don't report the channel. About. So, accept the follow. They don't have a share button on the channel. They don't provide a way to share the channel videos. Oh, I might do some work here. Offline. So what do? I just copy the URL and say here Twitch, select this, Ctrl K, open new tab, open this new tab, this new tab, this new tab, this new tab. Do that right now. So this is Twitch. Hit enter and push it, indent, and from about section, well, it's the same. Okay, I can actually make it from all the channels, destinations channels. I can compile about on this page, on my page. What's in the page so far? Is this is YouTube? Okay. And on Twitch, what does it say? Almost the same. But again, I will reuse it just to make a point here for Twitch, for this Twitch bit reference. What is it saying? What am I saying here? I've ignored this. I've ignored it. But that's it. Well, I might do one thing, that is Alt plus TV, log in here, log in here, and perhaps even say hi to myself, huh? Why not? Jump on my stream and say on the bottom Alt plus TV Control K. Yeah. Zooming soon than expected. Coming to your smart TVs sooner. Coming. Cool. Save draft. It's a draft. What else is possible to do here? Hey. Hi, me. Agent Smith. Me. Me too. This is me. What's going on here? Come on. Here on Bolt Plus in chat, GIFs are available from Giphy, but the search result is sorted the inverse manner than default. Then you get that I would get on the GIF website itself. So what I want to do is looking for, just need to drop one Agent Smith needs to appear there. That's the thing. Okay, I also like this one. Here it is, right there. Hehehe. But what I can do is grab uploads and grab the actually I can just go on the channel in a share section. I select embed the latest video, current live stream, copy this. That's what I want to have. So just like in that open workshop, custom HTML, do this. What? Joking? Is this something new? Style with 100 aspect radio. Huh? What? I need to wrap this in a group so I can control its positioning here. If I do a preview, here it is, which is offline. I'm quite curious about this, how this works. No kidding. this is new stuff. No way. No way, this is new. Wow. Responsive embed format. No more dark black borders around and so on. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh my, so I've also iframe. Go right away, open workshop, edit page. I'll clone this, completely duplicate this, duplicate. Yep, custom HTML and combine this style. I need to check this. Is this working? Actual feature light now embed on open workshop page. So ignore the width and this. Embed. Wow, is this true? Is this for real? I'm looking on this. Here I've updated the code, and I hit F12. Go responsive. No, yeah. Oh, cool. So nice, so nice. This is the default embed on smartphone, and this is the new style applied, fixing these nasties, dark bars bottom top. Wow, so cool, so cool. What do I say here at this moment? I say here, if you're feeling generous, check out this, my website, the link in the profile, or read the QR code. This channel needs your support. It's not all about the money. You'll find there more ways to help grow, spread the word. Oh my, I might just delete the lover. This group, is this it? Yeah, leave just this. Oh my. Oh me, oh meh. So this is the live, and I can also embed, of course, the latest video. I just like this. This is possible to get working from the similar way from the YouTube, and it's possible to embed Twitch, but I'll keep one embed per page so I don't bloat. For backward compatibility for the older mobile devices, browsers. Okay, I think I can do this for the website pages that refer to, that have a reference, channel name branding. I'll keep that as a static page covering all content. The feed of latest feed of list of videos, just RSS. But for the live sessions, let's say for Malavir channel, Malavir Eddy channel, live content is open workshops. And so open workshops can have a embedded live stream showing whether it's live or not, and while on this channel, dedicated channel page, I can have the post feed, RSS feed showing thumbnail previews and links, show notes links. And it's also possible to, on Odyssey and YouTube, to compile playlists, dedicated playlists, specialized playlists. I really enjoyed these this past running streak of stream sessions content, because you can see in an hour and a half, 1 hour, during 1 hour of the session, it's possible to see like the intro warm-up segment of the session, up to a highly productive, or at least getting some results out. And before all that, I woke up saying, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to work. I don't want to do this. Why did I wake up again in the same life? Why can't I change life waking up and wake up filthy rich? No, I wouldn't trade anything for my life that I'm living, even right now, when it's really challenging. Well, I'm not done, sure, far from that. So this is just a preview. How come there's no thumbnail? Okay, this will show the any running live. This is show the any running live session if available. And if I switch to browse my uploads, I have already created a live session for gaming that I reuse. Maybe I would go to do same thing on YouTube, but it's just way more practical using Odyssey. YouTube separation from the channel page to the studio and working out these things is just breaks the flow. this keeps the flow almost seamless here on the Odyssey. So if I select here, use embed, and they also here updated the code. This is just an insanity. Okay, so I just is this playful cyber? Yeah, this is playful cyber cell. So just duplicate this, but here change around this. And I can preview it right away here, and it will display the stream thumbnail. Yes, I changed this around. In the same stream session I've created on Odyssey channel, I just changed around the thumbnail, while this one doesn't show any because it's a one that it's not defined yet. That's why it doesn't show any. That's why it's blank. And I can test that. I can test this assumption here. For this channel, I can again duplicate this and put here the generic code of the channel share. My channel page, grab the share button, embed current live stream, and it should reflect the, I'll just hit update, view page, and play with it here. So here I'll get from the channel page live embed and the specific live embed, and they should say show the same. Yes, because the embed of the specific running created stream session will be unavailable in the future if I change it, while this embed from the channel page will show the current running, whichever, either newly created or whatever. Only thing is that it doesn't show, doesn't represent, there's no representation in case it's offline. It's just blank, like I see here. So if I preview this, this is what I'll get. Same for that channel. My mustache is sharing my coffee. Wow, during work weeks, no watching live streams, just no, I'm not learning, I'm too tired. I hate my hate using brain. No, don't want to learn anything, don't want to see anything being created. Is it just mishandled emotions? Is that it? Oh, wow, 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 wow. So it's even possible here to see that, let's say if I want to get this QR code working for this thumbnail in this star representation, I might redo this QR code, this thumbnail, and enlarge QR code and test, is it readable, enlarge it, or over this layout at this thumbnail size, and I use that in OBS. I have a scene that I use for creating thumbnails. And have the QR readable in the thumbnail format. Well, you know, place it in the thumbnail near the center in case the thumbnail is cropped to portrait or 4:3 and large enough for the QR readers, QR scanners. So smart. I'll just put a note here. Website building. Created dedicated page for gaming content video channel channels. Is it 2N, not 2L? Yeah, right, channels. Category page for gaming content, video channels, cool. Embedding live and videos into web pages. Okay, using RSS feed and to whom Niles for videos some peeling in the dedicated OBS scene just before start. eng. There we go. And you know what happened. No more coffee. Okay, so this is again new thing, new revelation. There we can here I witnessed that the Odyssey is still doing some development. They've just over these past few days they've updated this embed sharing code with the style that solves the aspect ratio scaling of the video. Just a day or two ago I used the same code a couple days ago, and it was the old version not being responsive for adapting the mobile view, but there it is. WordPress internally handles and can parse and read the provided YouTube URLs for videos and uses the internally supplied styling to handle the responsive mode. But other platforms don't have specialized internal function maintained and developed by WordPress team. They use the custom HTML embed code for iframes, while for YouTube WordPress is like having a deal, special deal, and they handle it internally. So they've sorted out the responsive layout for the embedded videos from YouTube behind the scene, and I just previously couldn't replicate what they're doing, what styling they're applying. I'm not super CSS savvy. I can't keep track on all the trends, but I do react on the development because I do follow as many different topics: development standards, web standards, CSS, HTML, browser APIs, so on, security, privacy. Where do I take this? Well, I can take this two ways now. For Malware Eddy channel, I can do one thing that I've already done. On this, I need to publish this page. That's the thing. That is the thing. Page. Author is edoga at the moment. It's the other guy. Page. What's in the media library? Content. Oh my. Game. Well, I might just reuse. Why not? Yoga gaming. The wrath of the V. I'll reuse that. I'll use that for feature image for now. And I can allow comments, I don't mind. Parent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Page, this, page that. Cool. And I can publish the page. Yep, publish. Let me see it. Close this, close this, close this. No big deal page. Scaffolding, scaffolding, scaffolding. And I'll say add another thing. Size and lot cement QR. So the QR code. Come on, code size and placement in video to thumbnail. Save. There we go. What am I looking here? I need to add nav link to the playful cyber cell sort, playful cyber cell sort. Getting somewhere here. Getting somewhere here. Now I'm starting to duplicate stuff bloating the page, but it's living canvas. It will be next to Mona Lisa as a reference to our time. Hypermedia, that will be the reference in the arts historians to our, this type of content will be a reference for our time frame in the history of arts and media. What am I doing? I'm looking to edit the site in this tab. I can close this. Open workshops is just perfect. I just need not pages, not templates. Navigation, C. Navigation. Just hit edit. And right here, add a page link, and I will be provided with the link of pages that I created since I published previously. It's available here. Playful cyber cell sword. There we have it. There it is. It's a channel name. So this will all be there'll be improvement on this structure and hierarchy of the pages, contents, channels. Here I can see the descriptions and so on, more meta for the element. Over there, save. Delete cache for the whole site. Let me see. So what's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen now is I'll take a lunch break and continue later from here. Close this session at this time. Here, have a read. Have a read through the through the show notes. That was the 1 hour. This is more, maybe best time efficient session so far, but really packed for somebody who wants to check out why as a content creator video, why would it use, how would it utilize website, what's the embedding game here. It's here in a from the end of the video to half hour back in the timeline. You'll see the whole talk and concept and actually work, copy paste, grab the code, embed it in a page. This doesn't just to point out, this is nothing specialized for the WordPress. This is the plain HTML code that you get on any video platform. Like for example, if I go on some of my YouTube channels, Mali, Eddy, and open, go back to Workbench. Here we go, my channel on the YouTube. Can't take cookies, I don't want to spoil my lunch now. And here, this is live. Okay, let's say I jump into the live here. Can I embed this or share? Did I allow embedding? So here is the embed code. So you just copy this, there is no program, you just copy this and paste somewhere in the body section of the web page you want to I want to show it into. But for WordPress it's even simpler. WordPress would just take the basic this code and automatically embed it. But for a framework, website building framework, that doesn't do that way, or manually on any other blogging service that allows embedding element in the blog post that allows embedding, just select this and copy this and tune it, tweak it. What's here? So they use the fixed width and height. On some devices this wouldn't work, like now that I have on the from Odyssey, responsive mode, inline, formatting the video frame 6:9 ratio. So there we have it. I will leave you with the outro for a few moments and be back in an hourish or so show. Switch to Sheen. I'm out. Howdy. I'll let the show notes for this show scroll. And we'll be back later after lunch break with more website stuff, graph building.